This is not gonna end well. Oh, he's... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Mustang. Oh, Mustang is cooked. Oh, this guy don't give a fuck. He's like, yep, thanks for taking the bait. I'm gonna say it too. Is he cooked? What the fuck is going on? Look at this. See, I'm telling you, this crowd is fucking stupid. Look at these guys, right? Oh my. Got the gap cam on this? Yeah? Who you fucked up on the way here?
No one yet.
No one yet?
No one has tried me.
Is it crazy?
Huh?
Is it crazy to start up?
Like how it sounds and stuff?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
It shoots fine.
Ooh.
Before I leave, I'll do a couple.
Hell yeah, brother. This is clean though. It's drift vet or?
I want to make it a drift vet. I got the angle kit at home. You throw it onto the front tires and you like, it pops out more.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get the hydro brake and I'm gonna go to like the track in Sonoma and just go in the donut pit. And I'm trying to do that.
You just go in the donut pit, yeah?
Yeah.
What's the QR code for?
My Insta.
For the Instagram? What's up?
Hella people be driving by, hey, what's up, bro? And shit. I'm like, bro, just scan it, bro. I don't want to even tell you. Fuck.
There you go.
I just scan the code.
Damn, no passenger princess, huh? You don't rock like that?
What happened?
No passenger princess.
That's literally what I put on my story. I was like, since ain't nobody want to sign up on the application, so like, I'm gonna just take the seat out. I'm really cleaning it though.
Okay, yeah. I like the seat though.
Right on.
The Brom, yeah. It's fire. Oh, fuck. I hope he spins back. The 300 horsepower Miata. What the fuck? Wonder what he got in there though. Oh, he about to go crazy. That's what he told me. Okay, that thing's loud. I have earplugs on right now, and that thing's loud. It's coming in with hella cars. What the heck? Not exactly the flyby I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit more. I don't think you would see it as a problem, but I just want to fix like all the issues. So. Hey, bro, I'm gonna need a two-step, bro. Damn, son. Just clean, bro. I got a little flyby. It was kind of hard to get with the people in front of you.
It's all good.
But I think I got some cool.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Sounds fucking nuts.
Alright. He's like, oh shit.
He was tweaking too, yeah. Hey, bro, there's gonna be a meet tonight if you're gonna pull up.
Where?
SVG. So you got everyone's favorite car right here. Oh, is that Justin? Nah. That's not Justin. Dude, no way. You got a silver thing again. That's hella funny. Hopefully he finds us. All the way parked over there, being all blue and shit. It's been a long time since I've seen that fool.
I've never met him.
What? You never met him? He had the really clapped Z, bruh. It was DE. I think it shot flames or something.
He's not parking with us. That's crazy.
Unless it's about to park forward, but like that would be crazy too. I don't know what would be crazier. I think it's because he got on Nismo, bro. No way he's parking forward. You think he knows how to drive it? I like the Fox body. I feel like he on some real sideshow shit though, you know?
Yeah.
Like you can just tell, like, look at him, look at him. Dude. Look at that. Is that Justin? Is it him? Justin, is that you? What the fuck? No way, what the hell? Hey brother, congrats.
Thanks.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Long time no
you
see.
Too. It's clean as fuck. What up, brother?
First time seeing you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That's Big Jason right there?
Yeah.
Yup.
That one right there. Oh, nice, dude.
Damn, bro. OG member right here.
Yeah.
Bro, that's a big upgrade though. Shoo. Got the tandems already on there? Did you buy them with
came
it? Okay.
The only thing I have one there that I did was the spacers in the back. Oh, and then I got long tube headers.
Hell yeah, that's a good fucking start.
Fucking the first week I couldn't park at home. I shake my apartment.
What the
My
fuck?
neighbor's apartment.
Oh, you still live in the
Yeah.
same spot?
Yeah.
Damn.
The people that live over here, they're like, yeah, Justin, it's 6:30, right? I'm like, yeah.
6:30, right? Is crazy. What the hell? Is he the lead for Bay Euros with that plate? I can respect a clean 836. I think it's, is it M3? I can't see the badge. That's the only thing I know. But I got the like, little spoiler, which makes it look cool. Oh, fuck, what the hell? That's insane. Bro is ready for the holidays. God damn. TE's on the Nismo. Another GTR. That's actually so sick. It's the boy from earlier, this menace. He made it. Little two-step Keen over here. We got the Last Christmas, I Give You My Heart car right here. That shit looks pretty sick. Steel wheels.
Everyone's asking me.
I really want to.
Because all these people don't describe. They don't tell you how to do it, and they just do it.
Yeah, I want to do it. So how'd you do the door?
Damn, somebody wrapped him a little Christmas gift. I wonder what it is. Okay, we also got a Z over here that is supercharged. Okay. Damn, brother, that isn't even tight no more. That's hitting. God damn. Little Stillin. Does you? Nah. Cute little drift beamer over here. The little toe on there, you can tell what's going on.
Bro, you were telling me. I know that these cars, like McLarens in general, have like a lot of. Really? How many miles have you put on it? 6,000. So you've been driving this thing.
Alright, Jason's gonna do a burnout in his Z. Huh?
Huh?
You said this meat's too calm for you, right?
Yeah, it's calm. Burnout.
Huh?
You should be doing some burnouts right now.
Yeah, we probably should.
Holy shit, bro! You can do the fucking cereal thing. You know the fucking
Yeah, I know
trend.
what you're talking
The cereal and the milk.
What's the cereal trend?
And you just put fucking
Like
milk and
this dude on
cereal in
Instagram
that thing.
reels. Cereal reels.
The fuck?
I don't know, bro.
It's a nice color. Oh yeah, are they? They're not carbon fenders, but they do have like the swag points on there. Oh, I like the bandana, a little touch. The doors are carded and paint matched.
Look at the license plate frame.
Oh, this is probably my favorite part right here. Yes.
Sexy as fuck.
All right, now let's take a look at this POS. And then let's take a look at the dust infested. What the hell?
I was watching that on Facebook Live.
This thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a supercharged one. It didn't sound like it, to be honest. Bruh. Oh, he's shooting some flames, bro. God damn. He's shooting some serious flames. And that's how you rev up your engine when you wake up in the morning, right?
Me?
Yeah. That was stupid as fuck. Oh yeah, he won that shit. Jason, is this what you asked for?
Yeah.
Bro called it upon the
our
fucking
community.
the car meat gods. Oh, brother found unlocked a new parking spot, huh? Oh, what the hell is going on? Brother pulled up in a track bike with no headlights. He said, fuck that shit, I don't need it.
Fuck my life.
Whoa.
Basically.
Hey, but at least he got the clear visor. I mean, that kind of helps. Just kind of. Damn, that car is hella sick, huh? The blue one?
Which one?
Yeah, the blue. Yeah, the blue one, bro.
There's two blue ones.
Huh?
I like this one, to be honest. Like a drift car.
Bruh, I want this one. This one.
One's claps, bro. This guy's like a sideshow car. Look at the bottom.
Oh yeah, he probably takes it to all the fucking what's it, Bay Area car meets, or what's the other one? Unique Styles. No.
Nah, unique style, no.
Which ones? What's the Mustang crew called?
I don't know.
Don't you follow all of them? They're your homies. What the fuck? Hey, who gonna tell me not shooting flames? Oh. The welds, the carbon. You can tell this boy cooking by that back tire. It's supercharged or something. Has a little blower. It's crazy.
Gotta hear me.
Sounds cool.
One more time.
What the fuck? Wait, was that the car next? That's the car next to him. I thought it was the green one,
it's
bro.
SRT.
Yeah, it was like a smoking over there. But that's probably the craziest sounding shit here. Now this is sick. Oh, what the fuck? Bro just stretched his legs in front of us. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, he's struggling to fucking put it into reverse. Bro was fucking manhandling that. This is the new car scene. Hey, over here, do you see Jason? He just ran away. Bro gave up. What in the fuck is that? Knob Hell is definitely snitching on these guys. Yeah, those guys got the memo. The disappointment. Oh.
Got flashback over here.
Yeah, for real. What the frick? Somebody tell me what the hell this is. What the fuck? This is the most derpy looking car ever. Apparently the sideshow is dead now, so Jason doesn't want to be here anymore. And then full ISR headers and then Tome exhaust. So, and white pipe. So that should be fun to hear.
13 feet.
No. Yeah, just drive it, bro. Don't fucking just drive it right there. Please don't do that. Oh no. Honestly, I like that one. I want them install. Yeah, that sounds good actually. But the other one, that's like a little too, you know. And then of course the best car of the meet. Look at everyone just huddling around it. Oh, what the fuck? Yep, they're all looking at my Z. What the fuck? That thing was screaming. God damn. And it's gonna scream again. Look at this guy. What the fuck? Something's wrong with that. G35 guy's back. I feel like he's not swinging a side. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh no, he's gonna swing that shit. $10. $10. Yes, he's gonna do it. That's crazy. Oh, he's sideshow for real. Oh no. Bro is actually Mario Kart drifting this shit.
Oh. Why is your suspension so bouncy?
Oh shit. I did not see Buddy right there. What the fuck? We're fucked. This is not gonna end well. Oh, he's... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Mustang. Oh, Mustang is cooked. Oh, this guy don't give a fuck. He's like, yep, thanks for taking the bait.
I'm gonna say it too.
Is he cooked? What the fuck is going on? Look at these. See, I'm telling you, this crowd is fucking stupid. Look at these guys, bro. Oh my.
They're about to get hit.
It's like all of you are spectators in a sideshow. You're all getting fined. Like fuck. Yo, Hank Hill, where's the propane at? This thing looks ratchet.
I'm telling you, sideshow.
Yeah.
What is
What the fuck? No fucking way. Bro, got that chicken joint money? That's actually pretty sick. Kind of makes me want to get some chicken nuggets or something. Well, I'm hearing too much sideshow activity. I think I gotta end the night and go back in my Z. I'm gonna go hide in there. The big dogs are out here. And then behind the GTR, I think that's the STO. Damn, goals. Friend group right here.
There's still time.
Wait, those aren't even real Will Chase? Is a crazy license plate to have.
That's not a cop?
I don't think
Are they
so.
cops?
They don't have any badging. I thought they were. I guess that's Will Chase on it. That's like crazy to
Oh,
have.
they're definitely cops. No, oh, they have tags.
Got that funny antenna. Oh shit! No way. What the fuck?
Oh, I like the color of its wheels.
That shit does not match at all though. It's so crazy. Dude, anyone would do anything for the gram nowadays. Look at that. Bro's moving in slow motion right now. What the hell? He's jumping. He's giving him that bounce. I love booty so much.